Number 5. Nestled in the tranquil heart of Maspalomas, the Tabaiba Princess is ideal for both families and couples. The all-inclusive hotel features stylish rooms and suites, each complete with Wi-Fi and satellite smart television. The wealth of amenities includes one of Gran Canaria's largest pool area with a man-made beach, a water splash park for the whole family and an adults chill-out pool. Enjoy a spacious buffet restaurant with alfresco dining, 2 self-service snack restaurants as well as an Italian and Asian dinner restaurant. You will also appreciate the brand new spa area with Bali beds, gym and massage rooms. The lively atmosphere and abundant amenities are popular among visitors, although the lack of in-room tea and coffee making facilities and occasional long queues for services have been criticized. Number 4. The Bull Costa Canaria and Spa is located right on the seafront in San Agustin, Gran Canaria. It is an ideal hotel for couples in search of a peaceful holiday at a hotel for adults only which, at the same time, offers every kind of leisure activity and entertainment. It's a 4-star all-inclusive hotel which is unique on the island, making it the favorite destination for many tourists summer after summer. Totally refurbished in 2014, it boasts a wide range of services and activities providing a friendly and personalized service that will make your stay at the Hotel and Spa Costa Canaria a frequent destination for your holidays on Gran Canaria. The magnificent rooms offer the very best views of San Agustin Beach. You will enjoy stunning sunsets, clear transparent waters and golden sandy beaches. Number 3. Guaranteed relaxation, personalized treatment, a beauty center, an outdoor pool with slide, an all-inclusive package without a bracelet, and modern rooms which have been recently renovated. This is what awaits you at MUR Hotel Neptuno in Playa del Ingles, a 4-star adults only, plus 18, accommodation where you can experience all kinds of unforgettable moments while surrounded by great company. MUR Hotel Neptuno is designed so that couples and groups of friends can enjoy an adults-only atmosphere during their holiday. Our accommodation is the ideal starting point for discovering the beaches of Gran Canaria, enjoying truly unique experiences, practicing water sports and enjoying the lively atmosphere of Playa del Ingles. Book your room at MUR Hotel Neptuno at the best price online now on the official website of MUR Hotels. Number 2. The Hotel Riu Palace Meloneras opens all year round and is located in Maspalomas, in the southern coast of Gran Canaria, next to the sea and the promenade and just 800 m from the Dunes Beach and the lighthouse. Riu Palace is the most elegant category in the RIU hotel chain, with hotels that meet the highest standards in terms of luxury, excellence and sophistication, creating a unique experience. The location is ideal due to its proximity to Playa del Ingles, 6 kilometers, and Gran Canaria Airport, LPA, 37 kilometers, and invites you to explore the area. The hotel has 515 comfortably furnished rooms with free Wi-Fi and offers many amenities. Relax in our wellness center or get in shape at the gym. 3 outdoor pools, 2 infinity. Number 1. Welcome to Colina Mar Apartments, your Puerto Rico home away from home. Colina Mar Apartments aims to make your visit as relaxing and enjoyable as possible, which is why so many guests continue to come back year after year. Guest rooms offer amenities such as a flat-screen TV, a kitchenette, and a refrigerator, and guests can go online with free internet access offered by the hotel. The property also features a pool and a poolside bar to make your visit even more pleasant. Puerto Rico has plenty of Asian restaurants. So when you're here, be sure to check out popular spots like Happy Valley Indian Restaurant, Taste of India, and Taj Palace 3, which are serving up some great dishes. Colina Mar Apartments puts the best of Puerto Rico at your fingertips, making your stay both relaxing and enjoyable. Thanks for watching our list. Want to get more exciting videos? Subscribe to our channel and you will get notified when we added more travel inspirational videos.